Today we're hiking Limekiln Canyon in Porter Ranch. It's an urban canyon, so pardon the noise in the background. In fact, it's so urban that I had to park at the Walmart right across the street. There was absolutely no parking here. Never been here, always passed it and never found parking, so I never hiked it before. But today I'm like, no way, I'm parking at the Walmart, it doesn't matter, and I'll walk here across the street and check it out. So let's go. From what I heard, there's a creek here, and you know me on creeks, I'm obsessed with creeks. So I want to see if there's any water still. What's this? I was not expecting this place to have so many pine trees. I like this. I think the creek runs down here. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, and it has water. Wow. As I always say, all these LA creeks still having water all year long? Unheard of. Wow, so beautiful. And look how high the bank is. I don't know if the camera is showing it, but it's probably at least 6 feet. So this creek must have a lot of water after the rains. Looks like we have a creek crossing. So beautiful. Huh. I'm happy I parked across the street and checked this out because it's so pretty. A lot of people on this trail, a lot of people. That's why I don't like urban trails mostly, but this is just a quick hike. Then I have to go to Walmart, not only to pick up my car, but I have to do some shopping. And I'm also planning a camping and road trip soon, probably in the next 10 days. So I didn't want to drive far today. We're going to do a lot of driving when I go on my road trip. Stay tuned for that one. Coming up to a culvert and see what it looks like. It actually seems blocked at the end. Yeah, I don't think this is in use anymore. So far so good. We left the creek down there and now we're going uphill. No idea where we're going. Never been here, like I said, but we'll find out pretty soon. We're getting close to a bridge path. That should be interesting. You know I love bridges. Looks like we're coming to the end of the trail. And onto the sidewalk. Yep. So it's almost 11, and I think it's probably around, I don't know, at least 83, 84 degrees right now. This is crazy. It's mid-November. When is it gonna cool down for real? Actually, I'm going back to the car, but there's an offshoot trail going down. You know what? Let's follow that for a little bit. Because I'm having a feeling that that one is the one that parallels the creek. And I took the wrong one going up. Yeah, Let me jump on that one. Jeez, there's freaking mosquitoes and whatever annoying me. This one over here. Yeah, let's go down for a bit, see where it takes us. We're back at the creek. Well, it looks like this dead ends here. That's why there's no people coming down here. Let's see. Oh, look at that. There's a swing. Yeah, that was a nice surprise. The trail dead ends, yes, but we found a swing. So, you know, it's the little things in life, right? Let's continue. Very cool place. I like it. This will be my dream home place. Have a house by a creek, surrounded by nature, enjoy the sound of water. This would be perfect. Ooh, look at that tunnel. Cool. Okay, I'm not gonna cross it, but let's go up to the entrance. Wow, it feels so much colder in here. Wow, yeah. This is so cool. I am tempted to walk a little bit. Wow, this is so cool. And it's super cold in here compared to the outside. Very nice. Let's turn around. Oh, hello, hello. Hear the echo? Woo! Light at the end of the tunnel, quite literally. Okay, I'm gonna head back. If you're interested in Colbert explorations, go to JP Videos channel on YouTube. Hey JP, if you're watching, hello. He has really cool culvert explorations among other places. Also post 10 on YouTube, another super cool channel. Okay, I'm gonna start heading back to the car now for real. There's my lonely car at the Walmart parking lot. Well, that was a fun hike. We did about 3 miles out and back, and it goes to show you don't need to drive to remote places to have a fun time. Stay tuned for my next big camping and road trip coming out soon. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.